Turn this up. Turn up the music. Thank you. Louder than that.
Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. We danced all night to the songs they played.
We can come again.
Do just the same thing. Now I feel it in my heart. Being such a golden time at the party. Now there's hardly any safe place left to go. Someone's bound to come and try to spoil the show. Oh, 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 oh. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again. We do it just the same. Hey, hey, John Old, Jonathan Ellis, Delroy Wilson, Dennis Brown. Hey, hey, Big U, Josie Wells, Dana Roy would wake the town. Yeah, and you had to hold your woman real close when Smokey starts to sing. Temptations, Marvin Gaye, Spinners away. Aretha Franklin, Patti LaBelle used to make me drift away.
Hit him.
Play Stevie Play, Sam any day. Yeah. We dance all night to the songs they play. We can come again. We do it just the same.
All right, Mr. Hammond. I know you don't like this early morning get up.
Mr. Hammond, the pan cruise.
Wait now, Mr. Hammond. Let me get the message. Because my brother saying, I will come and pick you up, sir. I will pick up the band members. Well, as a matter of fact, we don't need no band members. Because you have tracks, you can just come and sing to the track. I will come for you, sir. So just get up one man and come check with you, sir. Very smart.
Barris is on his harmony cruise.
By the way, the air condition working?
Apparently not.
Because I feel like I'm starting to sweat. Morning, everyone. It is Thursday morning. We welcome everyone, everywhere. OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam, TVJ. Also on television, Jamaica.com. And we soon start sweat because in here hot. So we want somebody to go and turn on the air condition for us so we can calm down. The magnificent and wonderful birthday girl. You still celebrating the birthday?
No.
Why not?
Come on, Uncle Born Palm one day.
Uncle.
My Uncle Born one day.
Spell Uncle, please.
O-N-G-L-E.
And that would be Uncle, wouldn't
it?
So, you had a great day?
It was a quiet day.
You know, you're not going to believe this.
What I believe? I
leave home.
Yes.
With your birthday.
When? You left home with my birthday.
With your birthday gift on Tuesday. For some reason, I never remember to lock the trunk. Bath, me hit a pothole.
Oh, God. Is the car okay?
The car is wonderful, but the birthday gift fly out. So it's when I reach here now.
Did you realize that the car trunk open?
And the birthday gift gone.
I know you won.
Retrace my steps.
Yes.
Could I find it?
I know you won.
And it was so expensive that I cannot afford.
Another one?
Another one.
I know you won.
But it's not a problem. I have something else for you that wasn't in the trunk. But I don't remember.
That sounds like it's in a glove compartment.
No, I don't remember where I put it.
Oh, thank God. Because if it was a tissue, me don't know.
No, I don't remember where I put it. But I still have one for you.
Okay.
And I ordered it.
Oh.
But them say, because of high seas, his next birthday before it comes.
Like it.
You see the plans that I have?
Oh, God. Neville, that's all I from you get up from December. I say, Taylor birthday.
No, man. Jody, you ever hear anything work out so magnanimously?
I'm going to tell you something, though. You mustn't tell life on care, you know. Because you're going to lick one part.
And you give really a fly out?
But no, but When you lick the pothole, you're going to say,
we shouldn't say that.
Yes.
No. No, but when you get this gift next year.
I don't want to forget this. I went somewhere and a gentleman said, Delia, tell Neville Bell, say, my wife love him up. And in my car, yes, my wife love him up. Every morning, she can't go to she don't watch Neville. And I said, your wife, sir? And he said, yes. And when I walk up, he said, yes, I'm my wife named Nadine Peria. So when you go Thursday, tell him, say, meet me a second in my house because I never think I never.
Only Mr. Peria.
So, Mr. Peria,
I hope all is well in
I
the
delivered your message,
Mr.
sir.
Peria. You sound like you
Mr.
are me.
Peria says, Mrs. Peria, stand up and go. Like she said, me not care if you want to complain. It's what it is.
You see, because I'm so mad, and when you look Mrs. Peria this man, Mr. Peria,
Mrs. Peria.
Mr. Peria, I hope you have a brilliant day today, sir. I just tell me when it's your birthday, because a gift can come from the same boat where I bring the other one next year.
I just said, boat, there were 2 ships in Ocho-Rios yesterday. One of them, I think, got rerouted from Falmouth. I was there because the Ocho-Rios fishing village, the fisher folk did courses with JBDC and Hart, and they were graduating. Mr. the fishing village never coming like one hotel.
So when you say the 2 ship in Ocho,
one is a
road?
I want to say psh.
No, but
I have a picture of them.
No, but when you say them in Ocho-Rios, they are on the main street. Where are they?
The sea, a part of Ocho-Rios, sir.
The sea is not a part of Ocho-Rios.
Then what is it a part of?
No.
What is it a part of?
Might be a part of the sea, but
no,
the sea
you
not
go ask. All right, you go, they go last. out in the Ocho water. And when them ask, Neville, where are you? You will still see, oh gosh, I can't, it's so small though. Soldier, I don't know if you can see it. I was trying to capture both boats at the same time.
Both boats?
Yeah, see?
You just say ship, oh you got a boat, no.
See? Yeah.
Why not?
Passenger ships.
Then you can enlarge and
no, them are not going to see the 2 of them, but I have to turn it, so. I mean, I don't know if I turn it, so.
What do you mean you don't know if you turn it, so?
Something locked on the phone. No, usually when I turn it, the thing turns around. But there were 2 huge ships there yesterday. Good morning, guys in Ochi. Fishing Billy, me say, come like I want hotel.
Oh, good. Anyway, Mr. Peria, have a great day today, please, sir. Tell the folks, the air condition really don't turn on?
It just turned on.
Tell the folks what's coming up, please.
So, did we pick up the people on One Spot Media?
We actually did.
All right, so on the show this morning, we've got a couple of competitions on the lineup. Oh, not between me and Neville. Oh. We get the details on the National Business Model Competition. Sorry,
Tamaya, but I have to say good morning to a little young man.
Please.
His name is Karumi Huey. Karumi is about, I think, 13 or 14. But he broke his leg day before yesterday at St. George's College.
Oh, no.
Yeah. But he seems to be fine. He has a cast on. So Karumi, anytime I see her, I'm going to sign up the cast. But I didn't know it was broken. And I feel bad about it. Because when he came off the park, I told him to ice it.
Oh.
Because he got hit on the outside of the leg. And he put the ice on it. And he said, I was feeling like a pain. So I said, you know, when you go home, every 2 hours, just ice it. And then his father came yesterday and said,
it's broken.
It's broken.
Wow.
So Karumi, sorry about that, son.
Wow.
But, you know, Neymar foot break. So you are in good company.
Yeah.
And I feel you're going to be better than Neymar. All them are going. So soon take it off and you're a big footballer. So Karumi, I love you plenty, all right? Let me move on. Then, after what Dara just said, we're going past all of that. We literally switched lanes to the Carifta Swimming Championship. Did you know it ends April 4? Did you know that it starts already?
And that maybe I forgot to say.
Yeah. So it's soon now.
Yeah, all right. And did you know, well, I won't tell you just yet, we've got an edutaining fun stop sharing a few facts you probably didn't know.
Oh, and there are some things you probably didn't know about your medicine. We open up the cabinet to debunk some myths. But these aren't myths. Let's get into the hot topics. These are real stuff. You remember they tell you that Dr. Clark was meant to be the finance minister?
Yes, you did.
I said it last
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Does that make me a prophet?
That our Master Andrew can use you as him advisor.
The headline says, any means necessary. More Jamaicans agree that authorities can cross the line to catch criminals.
Wow.
I've been saying that for a while, you know, that if we don't want to stop me on every single corner and search my car 14 times a day, if it is going to help, it is going to cut down the murders and the wildness that we are going through, then yeah, you can stop me anytime we don't want. So I agree. It says the Latin American Public Opinion Project, in a report based on its survey conducted last January, says that 27.9% of respondents agreed that authorities could cross the line to catch criminal suspects. This represents an increase of more than 100% in the 13% of Jamaicans who agreed a decade ago. Yeah.
Wow.
Now listen to this though, man. According to police statistics, this is frightening. 6,363 persons have been killed in Jamaica since 2013, including 1,616 last year. Wow, 6,363 persons killed in Jamaica since 2013. 4.5 years.
Horrible.
I don't know if some of these people did Iraq and all them.
It's horrible.
That is frightening.
1,616
last year alone. Wow.
This is interesting though. It says 65% of respondents expressed a willingness to work with the police in their community to combat crime, which is higher than it was before. So trust in police and willing to work with the police has changed. The average level climbing to 49.3% last year. So attitudes towards the police is changing.
Yep.
That's good. That's good.
Yep.
You know, crime is affecting us all. Crime is. There's one time people that say, "Oh, it now come up here," so it's everywhere.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. You know, one time people say there's certain areas in the country, you have to be careful how you go this place, you have to be careful how you go that place. It is all over. It is every time in the day, the night, early morning. And I keep saying this, folks, and I will say it again. As much as I wish the new minister all the very best, Dr. Chang. Dr. Chang cannot do it by himself.
Yeah.
Everybody have to get involved in this. The security forces can't do it by themselves. The commissioner, the whole of us have to get involved, because this is scary. 6,000 and change in 5 years. 6,000. Wow, scary. All right, move on. What's the next one?
Well, this is Minister Tufton, and he's saying to people who use the public health facilities to call the public health officials before they go to the media. He's saying if you encounter a challenge, contact the administrative staff, if necessary, the ministry, to seek redress. He's saying he's going to put up things in the waiting area, which will tell you what the numbers are for the CEO and the necessary people that you have to. He says sometimes going national reinforces the negative reaction that one negative concern brings to an entire profession. I hear in your minister, and okay, but I'm going to say, if they call the admin and they call who they must call, and there's still no redress, we are always here to take your call at the media. That's how we keep everybody on their toes. So I like it. I like the idea that he's putting the numbers out.
Yeah.
And he's saying, so his team now has to adapt the approach he has.
Yeah.
You know, to say somebody will call you, respond to the challenges. So
we like this. We want justice.
Yeah.
And we like go in front of cameras and ball.
But unfortunately, never sometimes if we not do it, nobody not pay with a mind.
I accept, but I think it shouldn't be the first
right.
call of action.
Yeah.
You try to get recourse in a different way, and then if you try and it doesn't work, but I think first thing we do is just jump up and ball out. We want justice, and sometimes because of the way we do it, you're not taken too seriously, you know. But maybe if you were a little more direct and try to get to the people who you really want to get to, then it might work for you. Student Loan Bureau saying they're working to change the stigma that loans are provided only for needy students. They're saying that loans are provided for tertiary students, not necessarily
But why are they trying to change the stigma?
I don't know. He says, we don't want that stigma. I'm quoting here. We want to be known as the institution of choice that provides funding for tertiary level studies. So said the Student Loan Bureau Executive Director, Monica Brown. She says that the institution's mission is to provide affordable financing to all students pursuing tertiary education. Because I think the needy students will continue to get priority, she says, with special emphasis on those beneficiaries under the Program of Advancement through Health and Education.
Miss Monica, part of that Africa be then in Africa change what they on the loan form, you know?
It says needy students?
Well, I'm told by a student that some of the questions that are asked on the form are a little bit invasive.
Yeah.
And would suggest that it is for needy students.
Hello.
So, make we start there. Make we start there. Yeah.
Well, I guess it working now. I just hear a big noise, like a plane.
Yeah.
But it's the air condition.
Wow.
All right, so let me say happy birthday. I already said hi to Karumi. Mr. Karumi, relax today. Have a great day. Well, school on holiday anyway, so you don't, you don't have to go to school, which is
Kids
good.
are at home.
Yeah, so you get a little while to get used to the cast. Happy birthday to Claire Lisa Bailey of New Lincoln Road. It's from all her siblings, nieces, and nephews. They said to tell her to have a blast. There she is right here. Hello, soldier man. Anytime you're ready to work with me. So, Miss Claire, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day today, and I wish you so many, many more birthdays. Look how my hand's steady. This is just amazing.
Oh.
My hand not moving at all. Beautiful picture. And Miss Claire, Claire Lisa Bailey, have a brilliant day today, and I wish you many, many more. What you have here?
I have to say happy birthday to my Fairta twin, Suzette Barrett Ennis. Today is her birthday. Good morning, Suzette. Wake up, man, and get the birthday greeting. Lady D, happy birthday to you as well, my darling. I know you're going to enjoy it. All the people I know born today now, Carlene Salmon.
Carlene Salmon. I haven't seen her for a long time.
It's her birthday over there at Broadcasting Commission.
Yep.
Francine Burton, Cadian Smith-Dixon, and Jerome Riley.
Okay, you done?
Jerome, that was on Rising Stars, my little nephew.
You done?
Happy birthday.
Her birthday was on Tuesday, but I wasn't here, and I don't get a chance to tell her yet. So, Sanique, happy birthday, my good friend. I hope you had a brilliant day, and I wish you so many more. You know I love you like crazy, Sanique. And hopefully I'll see you and tell you in person. So, happy birthday. Happy birthday, everyone. Have a great day.